નમસ્કાર વિદ્યાર્થી મિત્રો, એમટીસી અઘર ચેનલમાં આપનું સ્વાગત છે. મિત્રો, ધોરણ 6 દ્વિતીય સત્ર ઇંગ્લિશ સ્વાધ્યાયપોથી પાઠ નંબર 1 આપણે 1 થી 2 પ્રશ્નો જોઈશું. યુનિટ 1 પાઠનું નામ છે ટેસ્ટ ઓફ ઇન્ડિયા. રીડ ધ લાઇન્સ એન્ડ ઓફ ધ પોએમ. નંબર 1, I went to the city to see Miss Sweetie. She gave me a rupee to buy a toffee. Answer the question selecting the correct answer and write A, B, C or D in box. A. 1. A boy went to city to meet ખાલી જગ્યા. આન્સર આવશે D, Miss Sweetie. નંબર 2. She gave me ખાલી જગ્યા. આન્સર આવશે A, a rupee. નંબર 3. Which word rhymes with toffee? આન્સર આવશે B, rupee. નંબર 4. Miss Sweetie gave a rupee to buy ખાલી જગ્યા. આન્સર આવશે C, a toffee. નંબર 2. The toffee was sour, so I bought a flower. The flower was dead, so I bought some thread. Answer the question selecting the correct answer and write A, B, C or D in box. Number 1. Which word rhymes with flower? Answer આવશે C, sour. Number 2. Which word rhymes with dead? Answer આવશે A, thread. Number 3. The toffee was ખાલી જગ્યા. આન્સર આવશે A, sour. Number 4. The ખાલી જગ્યા was dead. આન્સર આવશે C, flower. Number 3. The thread was thin, so I bought a pin. The pin was sharp, so I bought a harp. The harp wouldn't play, so I gave it away. Answer the question selecting the correct options and write A, B, C or D in box. Number 1. Which word rhymes with harp? Answer આવશે D, sharp. Number 2. Which word rhymes with pin? Answer આવશે C, thin. Number 3. The thread was ખાલી જગ્યા. Answer આવશે A, thin. Number 4. The ખાલી જગ્યા was sharp. Answer આવશે pin. Number 5. The ખાલી જગ્યા wouldn't play. Answer આવશે C, harp. Number 6. The boy gave away the ખાલી જગ્યા. Answer આવશે A, harp. Question number 2. Complete the sentence based on the poem. Example: I gave back the toffee because it was sour. Number 1. I gave back the flower because it was dead. Number 2. I gave back the thread because it was very thin. Number 3. I gave back the pin because it was sharp. Number 4. I gave back the harp because it was wouldn't play. વિદ્યાર્થી મિત્રો, અહીં ક્વેશ્ચન નંબર 1 and 2 પૂરો થાય છે. આગળના વિડીયોમાં આપણે 3 થી આગળના જોઈશું. આપણી ચેનલને સબસ્ક્રાઈબ કરવાનું બાકી હોય તો સબસ્ક્રાઈબ કરવી. થેન્ક યુ.